Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Save 30 to 60% off at the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hey guys, my name is Simon. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on the GFW 650s. They are GE's new front loaders. It is going to be its little brother. This is the little brother for the 850s. So we're kind of losing a little bit of space and a couple features on these, but they're still an excellent washing machine. I'm going to talk about a few of those features right now. So we have first off this UltraFresh vent system. Now, how this works and essentially how this combats and competes with other front loaders, washers and dryers. Typically when you're done with a load, you would leave the door open to air out anything that is going on inside here, like any mildew or any residual water, so that you don't have any odors or any stains like that. This fan right here vents out from the inside, and also a combination of that fan and a rotation of the drum. You can keep that door closed, press the UltraFresh vent button right here, and that will vent out all the water and it'll dry out the drum to ensure that there are no nasty smells and doesn't leave any kind of mildew. Now, going forward with that as well, we also have this antimicrobial technology in the gasket right here, along with in the dispenser and also on the drain hose. Now what that does, again, that does promote it being sanitary, as well as reducing any kind of mildew and residual water buildup as well. It does have a built-in Wi-Fi function as well, so you can run diagnostics, you can wash clothes from your phone. I don't know if that's something that you would do, but you can do that. That's an option. Also, it does have this thing called DBT, which is dynamic balancing technology. So what that does is it senses and rebalances uneven loads so that it will keep the washing cycle nice and quiet as well. The door itself is reversible. And it's actually super easy to do. You don't even necessarily need a technician to come out and do that for you. You can actually do that at home. Just remove the bolts, switch it over, put it on the other side. It is quite simple. You don't, like I said, you don't need anyone to do that for you, which is nice. It does come with power steam, which is right there. So your power steam function is going to be one of those excellent things that kind of reduces and sanitizes and gets anything that is deep in fibers, like deep set in stains or anything like that. It will pull all those out with the power steam function. And then we also do have a quick wash cycle right there. And that is actually only 20 minutes, which is super quick, super fast. I believe it does do a full load of laundry, but only for like lightly soiled items, which is pretty cool. And then going back into the dispenser right here, we also do have a SmartDispense, which you can do up to 50 ounces of detergent, which I believe will do you up to 32 loads of laundry, which is pretty excellent. Last thing, we do have a sanitize and allergen cycle. It's going to be the industry's first cycle that sanitizes fabric to kill up to 99% of common bacteria and allergens, like such as dust mites and all that kind of stuff, and it is very apt for what is happening currently. So yeah, that's my review on this appliance right here. There are plenty specifications on our website that I didn't cover, and that is appliancefactory.com if you want to check those out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys.